So it's been like a month since I've done a video. I was on bed rest and then we got COVID like right after that. So it's just been a very long month, and I'm definitely ready to be doing videos again. So I'm very excited to be doing this one today with you guys. And we have a big announcement, is that we're going to be moving in with my parents. So the house that they just bought, we're going to be moving into the basement. It needs a lot of work though, and so I'm going to be documenting all the work, all the befores and afters, and taking you guys through the process. So I think that'll be a lot of fun. And so there'll be a lot of videos of that coming up. Tonight I'm going to be working on Wesley's bedroom, my son's bedroom. So I'm going to get started tonight, but I probably won't get anywhere near finished. So I'll be working on that for the next couple days. So yeah, I'm just going to be painting it. I'm going to be painting the like closet doors, inside the closet, probably the floor. Probably paint the floor too, and paint like the trim. I'm gonna have to put like baseboards in there, and then I'm probably gonna do like a built-in chest for all his toys. So just things like that, and probably make the shades. I'll probably videotape that too, maybe like next week, because it'll probably have to be 2 parts. So I won't be able to do it all this week, and we're gonna be changing the light in there. So there's gonna be a lot of things that need to be done in his bedroom. So I think it'll be fun though to make over his bedroom, get it started down here. Okay, so we got one coat on the walls all over. And we also took down that bar thing that was on the ceiling, the like torture device. Anyway, but it's looking so much better, so much lighter. Even with this work light off, it's still way brighter than it was before. And I forgot to say what kind of primer we're using. We're using the Bullseye water-based multi-purpose. It's supposed to not smell that bad and it's supposed to dry in an hour, and so far both of those have been lies. So I'll probably paint the floor. I need to paint the closet doors, inside the closet. We're gonna be getting rid of that heater. We're putting in a new light tomorrow, and you can't really see it very well. It's just like a square glass light. So we're gonna be getting a new one. Well, I already have a new one that we'll be installing tomorrow. And then we're probably gonna put like a big area rug, get a new door. I'm gonna be building like a little chest for his toys and to sit on to like read books and stuff underneath that window over there in between the closets. So I think it's gonna be really cute. I'm really excited. Are you excited about your room?
Okay. Well, thank you, Christian.
Alright, so we got the new light up. It definitely looks a lot better. The only thing is it's kind of blinding if you look at the lights. There's Edison bulbs, but they're really bright. So I'm gonna go around and just kind of touch up where we didn't get all the primer before. And then hopefully I can get it painted tonight. There's like a little better view of the light. It's like an oil rub bronze picture on the wall. But I wanted something really bright in here because it's been so dark. So ideally, I probably would have put like 2 coats of primer all over, but I'm just so exhausted. I don't know, I think it's just getting like over COVID and stuff. Like I'm not contagious or anything, but I think just being sick for that time, it's just, I feel so worn out. So anyway, I think I'm just gonna paint and probably start painting on the wall section since I mostly just touched up the top part. So I'll probably try to do like 2 coats of paint, but we'll see how much I can get done tonight. I'm gonna paint the closet doors. I'm gonna at least put hopefully like 1 coat on both of them. I'm gonna be painting them white. Okay, so here's the paint I'm gonna be using. It was like a mist tint. It's just kind of like a grayish green color. It's Valspar interior paint, semi-gloss. Okay, so my battery's pretty low, so hopefully it doesn't die. But I got a first coat on all the walls, pretty much everywhere. So let me get up there. And like the little piece of trim, I'll have to like tape off the ceiling to do that part. But we got the light installed. Okay, so my camera died last night, so I was just gonna let you guys know. I got like the walls painted, like one coat on everything basically. I still will probably do like a second coat, or at least just touch up the walls where I see needs to be painted. I need to do like the top little trim piece. I'll have to tape off the ceiling, and then the closet doors, the flooring, and then I'm gonna do like a little chest bench thing for his toys. So there's still quite a bit to do. So this will just be like part 1, and I'll probably just do part 2, and I hopefully will not have to do part 3, but we'll see. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.